working with fire departments all across the country, including large employers as well and health plans, to bring this test forward. With firefighters specifically, there's about a 3 times increase in their risk for cancer just from their occupational exposure. And they're actually passing at a rate of 14% compared to somebody who's not a firefighter in a regular commercial kind of role. That their mortality rate is actually closer to about 14% more than a normal worker. The Gallery test is a simple blood test, and it looks for DNA fragments in the bloodstream that carry a signal of cancer. And what's more is we can actually detect the signal of origin or the tissue of origin from that DNA fragment. Primary goal is to find cancer early with Gallery, so we can treat it when it's been detected in early stages and has a greater chance for curing. About 90% accurate in predicting the location of that cancer, and in most cases these are cancers, these 50 cancers that we look for are not found by any other way to early screen for them today. We use next generation DNA sequencing in our laboratories to look for those cell-free DNA fragments and that specific signal of cancer that we're looking for in the DNA.
The fire service has just been recognized as a Class 1 for carcinogens, which means that we are at high risk for exposures to cancer and the chances of getting cancer. We're 3 times more likely than the civilian population to get cancer and 14% higher risk of fatality from the cancer. So this is a very proactive response, this test kit that we got from Grail Laboratories. It's the Gallery Cancer Screening Test, and it can detect cancer at very early stages that normally wouldn't be caught by basic physicals that we get, and it really puts us ahead of the curve and everything and helping treat our brother and sister firefighters here in Chesapeake. So we're one of only 16 departments across the country to get on board with this test so far, and we're the second one on the East Coast. So we're right at the cutting edge here with Chesapeake Fire Department teaming with Grail Laboratories to do this. They're also finding out now within the past couple of years that our gear has what they call forever chemicals in it that are cancer causing as well. So they're doing very big steps now. We're being very proactive within our organization, but the International Association of Firefighters as well, in rectifying and finding a solution to that problem. Chesapeake, happy to say that we're over a 90% participation rate. So over these 3 days, we're going to be hitting about 390 to 400 firefighters are going to be getting tested.